This is gonna be a fucked up video. I can see it now.
Fine.
No, I'm drunk. I'm past tipsy. All right, so we're gonna get started. Let me just do this. For the rest of the summer, I guess you can call me the low-carb tiki guy. This all started because I was planning. This all started for two reasons. It's going to be using 3/4 ounce of lime juice. We're going to be using fresh lime juice today because it's really not that bad. It keeps it under the 5 by using a fresh lemon juice. Did I say lemon juice first time?
I don't know.
With fresh limes. They're yellow, they're not limes. Once again, this wouldn't be a video of mine without forgetting something. I forgot the ice. I'll be right back. And that's one of them. Instead of amazing Demerara sugar, which has a really nice. Stop it, Bentley! I'm gonna make an outtake video of me just yelling at the dogs. That's gonna be a great outtake video. Me yelling at dogs. Stop it, Bentley! Bentley, stop. 0 grams of carbs. If my dogs stop fighting, give me kills! It's like I said, I don't have enough subscribers to be affiliates to get paid to do this stuff. Roxy, stop. Your turn to stop. Roxy, stop. Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Bentley, lay down. Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Roxy, go lay down. Roxy, go lay down. You're gonna punk soup. Right there. Hit it with your palm. Separates that right at that gap. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get a quick. Let's go ahead and get a quick carb count on this cocktail. If you watch one of my videos, just keep watching to the end. That also helps my watch time. Guys, y'all have a great day, because I know I wish. Y'all have a great day, because I know I will. Wait a minute, I was slurred. Y'all have a great day, because I know I will. Hi, I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This channel is here to teach you. Hi, I'm Frank, the Low Carb. Stop laughing. Hi, I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This channel is here to teach you how to enjoy. No, not enjoy craft.
Oh, how to craft.
Hi, I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. This channel is here to teach you how to craft delicious, sugar-free cocktails. Hi, welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. For the beginning of the summertime, you can call me the Low Carb Tiki Guy. So we'll be doing a whole line of tiki videos. If you've not caught some of the earlier ones, you can check right here. I've done the Huma Huma, Nuka Nuka, Appa Wow, and I've done the Lao Wiki Wiki. Wait a minute. Oi Oi. That is it. So the next one is called the Ray and Ting. This one's going to be using 1.5 ounce of Ray and Nephew's overproof rum. And I have Ray and Nephew's overproof rum. This is 63% ABV. So if you do your math, that's, what's 63 times 2? 4 ounces of grapes and 4 ounces of grapefruit soda. Now I don't have any, and you can find it all over the place. ZV makes a great grapefruit soda. Wow, that is strong. First thing we need is our shaker tins. All right, the Barbados Rum Punch should be made with, of course, Barbados gin. Gin? It's not gin. Barbados Rum Punch should be made with, of course, Barbados rum. So we're going to start with one of my favorites, and that's going to be the Bacon Maple Old Fashioned. Now, what I did is, I'm going to use a bacon-infused bourbon. So it's not It's not real hard to infuse your own whiskey. So today we're going to be making a Mistletoe Martini. And just so today we'll be making a Today we'll, I'm not even drinking yet. Today we're Today we're going to be making a Mistletoe Martini. This is much worse. This is garbage. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. T light margarita mix. But back to JT Mellick. The low carb cocktail guy. It's holiday time. We'll be going to a lot of parties. We may be hosting parties of our own. And if that's the case, we're going to show you a classic spin. We're going to show you a spin on a classic vodka. I'm going to show you a spin. I'm going to show you a low carb spin on a classic vodka cocktail. Let's get drinking. Just going to measure that out. That is, there we go. Right at 1 ounce, just like it was before. So 1 ounce of Satsuma juice. Son of a bitch. That is that. Now we're going to go with our mint. Now since we go ahead, now that we've muddled the juice, put it separately, we'll take some mint. Cocktail for St. Patrick's Day. This is the Buckled Leprechaun. Befuddled. This is the Befuddled Leprechaun. So I'm gonna come back. Whatever, I don't know what the hell I'm saying. I'm done. Y'all have a great night.